All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to start one more 60-second session with our new guest. What's your name?
My name is Abdullah Alistiak.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kustia.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine. This is Naim, and I'm going to ask you 10 short questions. Number 1, Hollywood or Bollywood?
To me, Hollywood, because I love James Bond and his works.
Okay, brother or sister?
To me, both are important in my life.
Okay, father or mother?
Both of them in my role model.
Okay, newspaper or magazine?
To me, newspaper because it provides daily life information.
Okay, running or walking?
Obviously, running because it is good exercise for us.
Okay, tea or coffee?
To me, coffee because it is delicious.
All right, bus journey or train journey?
But train journey because it's safe, cheap, and enjoyable for me.
Okay, school or college?
To me, school because I have lots of memories in my school life.
Making video or taking photo?
Actually, both, and I am comfortable with taking photo.
All right, city or village?
Both, but I prefer city because there are all facilities available.
Thank you for your answers.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's all. Goodbye.